Class, because you've had to overcome some obstacles.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're going to begin in B flat major and G minor. I'm going to do the 2-octave scale page side today. If that is terribly frightening, you can continue to play the 1-octave scale, just do them twice. And you'll end up in the same place. I'm going to take it pretty slowly, but the goal is, I was going to give it one more second here as far as collecting people. The goal is that we're starting at the top of the page, taking all the repeats, and just playing without stopping. So I guess the exception will be if I have to let somebody else in. I picked a nice slow quarter note. It's going to be quarter note at 54. And the goal will also be that we have the rhythm as marked. So like I said, if that is too much for you, then play the 1-octave scale, and then you'll be going down the 1-octave scale while we're going up the 2nd octave. So you'll end up doing it twice to come out even. Hopefully that was clear. I guess another option would be to play part of it and then wait for us to come back and join you. Lots of solutions here. So starting with B flat major. It's being weird, give me a second. Switch metronomes. Change of plans. Was behaving right before I set up. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. breathing, that's a good sign. Give me a moment. So this year in point contest, it's going to run a little bit differently than it has in the past, in the sense that each week there will be 2 keys, and so you can play all the scales that you can in 5 minutes in those 2 keys, and those are what you're getting your points for. And got to schedule a little post, but if you kind of want an overview, it's going to start F, B flat the first week, and so we'll be working backwards through the keys we've been doing all year, and then the 6th week of point contest will be in the key of C. So being able to keep going is going to be a really important skill. I'd like to go over to the 1 octave scale page and look at the B major arpeggio. And I'd like to have you do it in 8th notes with 4 8th notes per half note, and the 2nd and 4th of each being an open G. So it'd be B flat, G, B flat, G, D, F, B flat, and so on. So we're going to do 4 8th notes per half note, and every other note is going to be an open G. B flat major arpeggio in 8th notes. Lots of string crossing. We'll keep the same quarter note we've got going on here. Ready, and B flat, D, F, B flat, B flat, D, B flat. All right, think about it, and then let's try it again. This time with the repeat. Ready, and. And repeat, B flat, D, F, B flat. All right, so we're going to tweak it this time. All the arpeggio notes that you can put on a D string. So you're going to keep it on 2 strings that are adjacent to each other as much as possible. Still open G between each. 3 and 4 and. And repeat. We're going to do it again. The first time, every other note is open G. The second time, every other note is open D. One more time. Ready, and. Switch to D. change to a minor arpeggio. So G minor arpeggio. This first time, every other note is open D. Still in 8 notes, 3 and 4. Only this time start on an up bow. Every other note is open D. Ready, and. This time we're going to do a bow study. So it's going to be, I guess I'll show you here. We're going to do a quarter note, triplet quarter, triplet quarter, triplet quarter, triplet. So we'll do 4 quarters and 4 triplets, and we'll end up at the top of the bow. And then we're going to do up, down, up. Yes, quarter, 2 8ths, quarter, 2 8ths, quarter, 2 8ths, quarter, 2 8ths, and we're going to work our way back to the bottom of the bow for those. And I'd like to do that on each note of the minor arpeggio. So we'll be sticking on the same note for all of the down bow, and then the next note for all of the up bow. I'll see what happens. So we're starting on G, 3, 4. G, triplet, G, triplet, G. So you should be about in the middle. Now B flat. Over to D, triplet, D, triplet. Forgot to say, part of why we're doing this is to make sure that you're activating your fingers and they're doing lots of work in the triplet. So let's do it again now that you have that feedback. Ready, and G, triplet. G, helps you to think about it, it's like silent, silent night. We'll be doing G, B flat in a down bow, D in an up bow. So we'll do that 1, 2, 3 times, and then we'll switch and do G to D in a down bow and B flat in the up bow. And we'll do that 3 times. And every time it'll be silent, silent. Sort of the 6/8 feel. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. Switch. 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 Two more times. Alrighty, switch to your gift to be simple. Song of the month. I would like to do the second octave first, so starting in the middle of the page, and then repeat back to the beginning, and we'll do the first octave, and then time permitting, we'll play the second octave a second time. Very stately today. Everybody got your F? 1, 2, 3. so special question this morning. Next week, it's the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So I'd like a kind of poll for, is it going to be more relaxing to have group the Wednesday before Thanksgiving that you can think about something besides Thanksgiving? Or do you need the time to make your cornbread stuffing or whatever? So quick vote. I don't hear you guys yet. You have to turn.
I'm good with going and having a lesson.
You're voting in favor?
Yes.
Okay, Carla says yes. All right.
Yeah, because I want to be able to finish my November thing in November, and this helps.
Okay, so the poll is in favor of it. All right. Just wanted to check. I didn't want to get up Wednesday morning and be like, oh, I'm the only one here.
In the kitchen cooking.
Yeah. So since you're anxious to finish your November work in November, and we have, what, 2 minutes left, go ahead and mute again, and we'll do G harmonic minor, 2 octave. Probably twice. Three. Very nicely. All right. Thumbs up. All right. Everybody have a really great week, and I will see you next week.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.